with a teacher.
Snow trouble on the mountain. Emma and her friends go to the mountains. It is cold. There is snow everywhere. Emma wants to build a snowman. What does she need? She needs snow, stones, and a carrot. Who has a carrot? Leo has a carrot in his lunchbox. When can we build a snowman? After lunch, says Emma. They eat and play. Then they build a big snowman. Suddenly, the snowman falls. Why did it fall? Oh no, says Emma. The snow is too soft. Where is the carrot now? They look around. It is gone. Which animal took the carrot? They see a rabbit. The rabbit is running with something orange. How can they get the carrot back? Leo throws the rabbit another piece of carrot. The rabbit drops the first one and runs. Whose scarf is on the snowman? It's mine, says Mia, laughing. They fix the snowman and take a photo. Best snow day ever, says Emma.
With a teacher.
Thank you, and now it is quiz time. Ready? Click on the next link.